Hi, my name is Kate Acker with Acker Woodworks. We're an all-women's wood shop. We specialize in custom cabinetry, custom furniture, and custom doors. And today we are going to be cutting out some bifold doors with our ShopSabre CNC. This project begins with the client's vision, and for that homeowner that meant a vine scene across 2 bifold doors. Using VCarve software, I'm able to design and adjust the concepts directly on site with the client to ensure that their ideas come to life in real time. With my CNC, every detail is cut to precision, allowing me to deliver exactly what the homeowner has envisioned. Let me show you how that process comes together. Here are the last 2 designs we worked on with the client. We were able to screenshot them and pull them up side by side so that the client could compare the 2 and make the final decision. This is what we chose. We chose this design, and I kind of have it spread out across the 4 doors here. And then I took it from there and I broke it out to the material size and the way it's going to cut. I'd like to do a test cut, so I'm going to take this flower here, and bring it up here to test cut the 2 different V bits I think are going to work best for this project. Now this one I'm going to do with the 1/4 inch V bit 60 degree. I'm going to do the outline and I'm going to do it an 1/8 inch deep. Calculate. And then this one I'm going to do the exact same cutting process except for with the 1/4 inch V bit 20 degree. This is still the same 1/8 inch deep. Calculate. Now that I have this programmed, I'm going to send it to the CNC to get it cut and to see which one I like better. The machine we're using today is the Pro 408. Now I chose this machine because, well, the size of my shop and 2, the size of the bed. I typically do custom cabinets as well as custom doors, and the sheet good stock come in 4 foot by 8 foot. The material we're using today is a spruce core block board with an MDF veneer face. Now I chose this because of the stability that the spruce core will have for the door, stability and strength, as well as the veneer will take really well to the sanding in the finish that we'll be putting on afterwards, because we will be painting these doors white. I will also be utilizing the tool changer, 1 to cut out the design, 2 to cut out the doors. Now that we have the design ready to go, we have the material loaded and everything uploaded on the computer, we're ready to go. Now that we've cut these test pieces and we know exactly which bit to use, I'm going to go ahead and quickly assign the right tool path to the doors and send it off to the machine so we can get cutting. So while the machine was running, you got to see me prep these doors for their final sand. Now what that includes is first, just a quick sand, and then I use some wood hardener for any of these small, delicate details. And then I use a little bit of Bondo that actually works great for filling in any of the gaps where the spruce comes together, as well as filling in any of the knots to leave a smooth finish for the ends. Now that these are ready for their final sand, I'm gonna do that and then send them off to the paint booth. So the next time you see me, I'll be on site installing them. See you then. Now that we're done with the install and they're ready for their final adjustment, as you can see, these doors came out beautifully. My favorite part here at Acker Woodworks is bringing the homeowner's vision to a reality. Having the CNC allows me to do any design, no matter how simple or complex it is, and in such a timely manner. Something like this would take me days to hand carve, which in return saves the client a ton of money and time. The CNC gives me the ability to do everything from custom cabinets to beautiful doors like these. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.